Hi friends, today I will be trying limited edition foods. I will be trying limited edition pink lemon Kit Kat, limited edition strawberry filled juice, watermelon bubble gum, and then not a limited time refreshment. So first we're gonna try the pink lemonade Kit Kat. It smells good. Some things smell better than they are. And they taste, I mean. So, let's see. It's kind of rough to open. That is delicious. It doesn't really taste like the real pink lemonade, but it is good. That is good. Now it's time for our refreshment. Delicious. Now it's time for our bubble gum. Remember, these are all limited edition. And strawberry. The strawberries look really good, and it's mostly the strawberry that you can taste. It's like really strong and delicious. Okay, that was all. Hope you enjoyed.